AI is no longer science fiction, it's transforming jobs faster than ever, but what does this mean for you? Will AI replace jobs or create new opportunities? Stay tuned to find out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI will reshape your career and what you can do to stay ahead. Let's face it, some jobs are at risk. AI is already replacing repetitive, routine tasks. Industries most affected. Retail and customer service AI chatbots like ChatGPT handle thousands of customer queries instantly. Manufacturing and logistics. Robots are replacing assembly line workers. Data entry and accounting AI can process financial reports in seconds. According to studies, over 300 million jobs worldwide could be automated in the next decade. But it's not all bad news. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. Companies need human creativity to work alongside AI. Top AI-powered careers: AI engineers and developers, building AI models and automation tools, data analysts and AI trainers, helping AI learn and improve, content creators and AI-assisted artists, using AI to make videos, music, and designs faster. Even if you're not in tech, AI will boost productivity in every profession. Doctors use AI for diagnosis, marketers use AI for content, and even lawyers use AI to review documents faster. So how can you stay ahead in the age of AI? Here's what you need to do. Essential skills for the future include learning AI tools, mastering ChatGPT Midjourney and automation software. Developing soft skills like creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence is crucial, as these can't be replaced by AI. Continuous learning is key. Take online courses on AI coding and digital marketing. The future belongs to those who embrace AI, not fear it. AI is here to stay, but will you adapt? Tell us in the comments, what's your biggest concern about AI and jobs? Subscribe for more AI insights. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Watch our next video on the top 5 AI tools you need in 2024.